So let's start how to work with the windows if there is no mouse and you want to work around with the keys. So the first step is to hit shift plus tab. So with this you can change the menus. You can see it. Now if you want to hit the menu button, it may be not in all the system. For this to work we use the shift plus F10 button. So you can see you can right click. The third one is to click the backslash. So you can see it's working. To close the menu you have to click on Alt F4. So this closes the tab. Now if we click on Alt tab, so it changes the windows. Now if we click on the windows plus control and escape, we can also click on windows with the arrow keys. C. Now if you want to get to the different stuff, we click on Windows D, and if we use Windows plus A, so you can see it open up the date and time icons and its related windows. And if we click on Windows plus X, so it opens up the very good menu and informative menu. If we click on Control S, so we can search, and the well known is Command Alt Del get to the Task Manager and the Windows. Now we are going to the mouse. For the mouse setting, we get to mouse keys. Mouse keys. So this is mouse keys. So now if we toggle it on, so we can use these keys. If we hold the control and shift, it can slow down the mouse speed increase, and also we have these related settings. So from this we can get to other settings. So I hope you have learned how to work with the Windows without the mouse and its mouse keys and keyboard keys. Thank you for watching.